Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you what to do if Wi-Fi is connected but there's no internet on your Samsung phone. First, go to Settings. Click on Connection, then Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi settings and try reconnecting to your network. To do this, tap the Forget button. You'll need to enter the password again. If that doesn't help, let's try something else. Go back, search for VPN in Settings. Here, make sure it's turned off. Like this, right here. You can also try removing DNS. Another method is through Settings. Go to Time. Here's Date and Time. Date and Time. Check both Automatic Time Zone and Automatic Date and Time boxes. Wi-Fi might not work due to date and time differences. If that doesn't help, go back to Search and look for reset options. This is the last resort. Of course, first verify that your Wi-Fi has internet access at all. If nothing worked, a reset might help, assuming there's no hardware damage. Click the reset button. That's it for today. Goodbye, everyone.